How to change product cart layout in Wix Studio Store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your product cart layout in your Wix Store. It's going to be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose your store. I'm going to choose this one. You can click on it and then you will be in that website dashboard. Now you can navigate to edit chat here. You can click on it. Now you can navigate to the top left corner and click on it. And then you can go to category page, you can click on it. And then you will be redirected to your store page or product page. So this is your whole products display here. And you can right click on the website and then select a layer and then choose category page. And now you can go to settings and the pop-up window will appear. And now you can go to layout and go to product info. So as you can see, now you can change the product card layout. So this is the default or the selected ones. Now you can choose this one if you want like this, or you can choose this one, and there will be like three, but there is the name of the product and the price, and also this one, the name of the price, the name and the price, but in the center alignment. So you can choose whatever you want. I like this one. I think it's cold. So now you can choose the alignment. So if you want to, it's in the centers or the right of your product. It's up to you. So let's say I want to choose this one, right alignment. And then also you can choose the name and the price layout. If you want like this or like this, it's up to you. And also the pricing layout, it's up to you. And then you can also go to product image. So you can choose the image placement. There is two options here. If you want like this or like this, I think this one is smoother. So I think this is good. And also the image resizing. If you want to make it crop or fit, it's up to you. And then for the image ratio, you can choose whatever you want here. Maybe you want to square like this or like this. It's up to you. You can choose one by one here, and you can choose that fits with your website. And also, if you want to add side padding here, like this, and then you can go to product grid. You can choose the grid behavior. It's fixed or responsive. I'm gonna choose responsive. And then you can choose the minimum cart width and the products per lot if you want. You can make it less or more. It's up to you. If you make it more, it will add more products in your cart layout. So it's up to you. And also you can choose the spacing between columns. Maybe like this or like this. It's up to you. And yeah, you can go back again and then there is more option here. You can add breadcrumbs and then you can add header up section here. It's up to you if you want to add header section like this, the layout of the header section, and also the category info placement. It's up to you if you want like this or like this. It's up to you. So yeah, I think that's it. How to change cart layout in your Wix Studio store. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.